in the trunk. Thank you very much, David. Thank you. Well, welcome to the Piazza here on this wonderful Love Boat themed cruise. Welcome to our very special renewal of vows ceremony as well. As we set sail across the sun-drenched Mexican Riviera, you can feel the love in the air. You can. It's fantastic. Now, this truly is a princess first. As we are incredibly lucky to have with us the cast of the original Love Boat. And they are going to be presiding over this renewal of vows ceremony. So, please welcome, beginning with our celebrations ambassador, Jill Wheeler. Next is Doc Bernie Gobert. Next is Julie McCord, Cynthia Lauren Tweed. Next up is Gopher Frank Randy. And of course, last but certainly not least, your bartender, Isaac Ted.
Well, welcome everybody. I promise that this time, the last time I did a vow renewal was with Gavin McLeod, my TV dad. And I promise I won't do what I did last time. I won't pronounce it vowel renewal unless anybody wants to buy a vowel. And then we're good. Okay, so here we go. In celebration of love and our legacy of romance and co-starring role on the Love Boat, you're here today to reaffirm your love for one another. You know, my husband Jeff and I just recently celebrated our 5th anniversary in the Mediterranean aboard the Regal Princess, which was life-changing memories. It was blissful and romantic. And as celebrations ambassador to Princess Cruises, I see romance all around when I'm on board. There's couples holding hands, and you can see the sparkle in their eyes the minute we set sail. They just appreciate the time away to truly reconnect and keep the romance alive. So we applaud you for being here with us to reaffirm your love for one another.
Welcome aboard. You know, playing Doc Adam Ricker on the show. Oh, thank you, Mommy. I was, who's your other mommy? I've been tolerating Fred for a long time. Okay, so playing Doc Adam Ricker on the show, I was no stranger to romance. On the high seas, although it does get a little rocky sometimes. My good and dear friend Gavin McLeod, who we are here to honor on this cruise, always said that the show gave people something to dream about. The dream of taking a cruise one day, and maybe even, perhaps, falling in love. My wife Katrina is here with me, and we're celebrating 25 years of marriage this year.
25 years of marriage, Bernie.
See, there's an echo in here, you know this one? And our sons, Adam and Josh, are here with us to celebrate. Love you.
Adam and Josh. Now, who was Adam named after?
Let me see. It could have been me. All the best. Happy sailing.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, my wife and I, Mary, is also sailing with me, and we're celebrating 21 years of marriage. And to tell you the truth, we dated for 10 years, which makes the relationship 31 years together.
I just want to say I don't want to be judged for having only 5 years of marriage. If you count all my marriages together, it's probably close.
You know, mixing up cocktails on the Love Boat, I always told couples to really listen to one another for a successful relationship. Please, seems like you all down there and over there and there and up there and up there are doing just that. So, here's to you.
You already found your match. Every one of you found your match in life and you're very, very happy and I'm glad. So my speech is, we're gathered here for very special reasons to provide all of you couples an opportunity to renew an everlasting commitment to each other. The diary of your lives contains many important dates and moments. Among the most prominent is the day when you joined together in matrimony and made those eternal promises to one another. And so including David and Christopher and Mr. and Mrs. Oliphant, I hope you have a wonderful ceremony.
Unaccustomed as I am to public speaking. But you know, it's funny, I'm looking out here and I'm seeing all of you people, and I'm just reminded of what an enchanting place these ships are. I mean, listen, where else but on the Love Boat could you entrust one of the most sacred moments of your life to a bunch of old TV actors? But that is not to say, ladies and gentlemen, that we are not eminently qualified to advise all of you on your marriages. Among the 5 of us, we've had 13 of them. That doesn't include Gavin's 2 marriages. But lest any of you doubt that the Love Boat is an absolutely enduring place. You heard Ernie mention that he's here with his wife. Did you notice this? About 25 years. And Ted is here with his wife, Mary. And Jill's here with her husband, unnamed. I just want to leave you with this.
Wait!
My wife. Oh, sorry, you have someplace you have to be? That's a change of pace. My wife cannot be. She does not travel well, so she could not come. But I want to leave you with this. We have been married for 35 years. And I met her on the Leo deck.
I so
And she's still in rehab. All right, so here come the vows, all right? Pay very close attention. As you renew your vows to each other today, we are all reminded that a marriage is a union of two lives and two hearts. As a husband, as a wife or a partner, you share each other's problems and joys, and you become one, giving strength and support in your days together. So at this time, please face one another and join hands. And husbands and partners, please, what? That's coming up.
And wives, of course.
Will you let us do this? We're professionals.
And husbands too.
Husbands and partners. All right, now this is the important part. Husbands and partners, please repeat after me. As your husband or partner, I renew my commitment to you. Husband and partner, I renew. I promise to always be supportive of you in good times and bad times, in sickness and in health. I promise to love and honor you and keep you as long as we both shall live. Now pay very close attention because this next part is in Latin.
Wives and partners, please repeat after me. As your wife or partner, I renew my commitment to you. I promise to always be supportive of you in good times and bad times, in sickness and in health. I promise to love and honor you and keep you as long as we both shall live. Now will you both repeat after me. I once placed a ring on your finger as a sign of our unbroken love, as a promise to care forever. Today I renew that promise and accept you to myself as one of the greatest gifts in my life. All of us here on board at the Discovery Princess are witnesses to the renewal of vows and your commitment to each other. May you find strength through the love that binds you together today to continue your lives in perfect peace and harmony. So once again, I now pronounce you husband and wife and wife, or husband and husband or partner. And now you may all kiss.
Congratulations to you all! Congratulations. Now, if you would like a complimentary certificate to celebrate this moment, then absolutely head over to the table over on the side there. You have that. There's also been a champagne floating around. Enjoy that as well. But I feel that it is appropriate for you to have a second first dance. So with